So in this video, we're going to talk about food weight targets. As some people like to think of their food in terms of calories, some people like to think of their food in terms of servings. Many people in the preparedness and self-sufficiency community like to think of their food preparedness and preps in terms of weight. And this is a way or a perspective that's been taught in this community for decades. Lots of people that, lots of books that are written and information that's published about what you need in order to survive a certain amount of time is it writes about food in terms of weight. How many pounds of flour, or how many pounds of rice, or how many pounds of beans or meat, etc. So this is a fairly recent enhancement of the Ultimate Prep system, at least in July of 2021. But I wanted to show you how you go about setting this up. So there's a preferences link here in the needs and wants section. So as long as you have these preferences set, when you start adding food to your food inventory and including the food's weight, then it will reflect here on this graph. So all you do, you just go into the food weight targets link from your dashboard, and it's very simple. You can see right here, you got a column for category, target weight, actual weight, and percent of target weight. So again, the values or the column that you will be paying attention to here and filling out is the target weight column, the column that's highlighted in blue. So you don't need to worry about anything else on the sheet, just the column that's highlighted in blue. So for any categories of food that you want to track by weight, you would just indicate a target weight. So only these categories that I have a target weight for are reflected on my dashboard, or on the dashboard of this demo system. All these other ones, these blank ones, are not reflected on the dashboard. But as soon as I add a target, right? I don't have anything in the food inventory with grains as the category, but I've added this target weight. As soon as we go back to the dashboard, you can see now we have grains here as a category. So that's pretty much it. And actually I could say this too. This target weight could be in terms of pounds or kilograms. So depending on where you are in the world and how you measure, this could represent 500 pounds or 500 kilograms, as long as you're tracking in the same method in your food inventory sheet. So that's all I wanted to share with you in regards to food weight targets. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Hope you enjoy using it, and I'll see you in the next video.